Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all would be all right and waiting for our new story. So, without delay, let's start with our story. Quickly close your eyes so that you can visualize this story as a movie in front of your eyes. Okay? So, let's get started. Our today's story is about Sujata. Sujata is a very creative artist in our story, and in our story, Sujata lived with her family. It means Mama, Papa, and Sujata. And they were having their house near a river. And Sujata in our story is a nature lover as well and artist as well. So she loved to do work near river bank, near riverside. Uh, every holiday was a great day for Sujata. She was just taking her all art material, canvas sheets, drawing sheets, and just sitting near riverside, looking at tiny, beautiful wild flowers, soft grass, wonderful natural wind, and birds chirping on branches, and so on. And she was enjoying this touch of nature. Sujata used to enjoy this touch of nature. So she was very happy with this nature, and every holiday she was spending doing paintings near river, and it was giving great pleasure to Sujata. One day what happened, suddenly while doing painting, Sujata was doing painting of fishes actually, and she decided I will look at real fishes first, and I will try to reflect the same colors in my painting. It will make my drawing looking more real. And with this intention, Sujata started looking in river, and she was able to see that lots of colorful fishes were swimming in water. They were playing together. They were looking very happy, and Sujata was also very happy to see that what great colors God used for making these fishes, for coloring these fishes. But suddenly Sujata observed something very strange. And what was this? She observed there was one grey fish, and this fish was sitting all alone on side. All these fishes were playing together, talking, laughing. But this fish, this was of grey color, was sitting on side, looking at them, and was looking very sad. And this touched heart of Sujata. And Sujata decided she will ask that why that fish is so sad. And she started calling out, "Hey, my dearest grey fish, can you hear me?" That grey fish looked up, and she was able to see that one girl is trying to talk to her. She came on surface and said, "Yes, are you calling me Sujata?" Sujata was surprised. "How you know my name?" So that grey fish observed that I'm looking at you every day, and every holiday you come, you sing lovely songs while doing your paintings and all. And I know your name because mom call out your name. "Sujata, come back. It's lunchtime." And that's why I know your name. Sujata was extremely happy to know. And then Sujata asked, "My dear fish, I'm observing since 2-3 days you're not happy. You sit on one side, you don't play with them. Don't you like to play with them? Why you don't play with them? And I'm able to see that you are not as happy as other fishes are. What happened to you, my dear friend? Please share your sorrows with me." My mama always tell that when you share your sorrows with someone, and your heart is quite light, and when you share your joy with someone, your joy become double. Please share what is troubling you. Why are you sad? Sujata asked. And listening to these very compassionate words, that grey fish was having tears in eyes, and she said that I'm all alone in this big river. All these fishes, they are blessed with lovely colors, lovely feathers. Look at me. I'm so ugly. I have this neutral grey color, but it's not my fault. But they don't want to play with me. They call me ugly fish, and this made me unhappy. I really want to become friend of them. I want to play like them. I want to play with them. I want to smile and laugh like them. But I'm all alone. I have no friend. And again that fish became sad. Sujata was also very sad, as Sujata was very kind-hearted and compassionate girl. When she listened to this story of this grey fish, she understood and felt very bad. And after that, Mama called out, "Hey Sujata, come back. Lunch is ready." And Sujata just wind up, and she said that tomorrow I will come and we will meet again. And today, while eating lunch, Sujata was not happy. And Mama observed it. Mama asked, "What happened, my dear Sujata? You are looking so unhappy. Something is there in your mind which is making you tensed. Please share your what is troubling you. Please share that with me." And Sujata told the whole story of what happened today. And Mama said, "This is a small thing. You can definitely fix it. There is no problem, my dear Sujata, which can't be solved." "Really, I can solve this problem?" Sujata was having shining in eyes. Mama said, "Yes, you are a good artist. Go and paint that fish. Add some sparkles also, some fluorescent colors. And yeah, you have lovely stones and sequences. Why don't you take waterproof glue and put some sequences on body of that fish? It will make that fish extremely beautiful." And Sujata said, "Yeah, I can do that. I will love to do that. Thank you so much, Mama. You really solved the problem." And Sujata hugged Mama tight and gave kisses after kisses. And after having meal, next day Sujata wake up early morning. She just collected all stuff and a waterproof glue, some sequences, stars, diamonds, stones, and fluorescent colors, paint brushes, and she reached near riverside. And she started calling out, "Hey, my dear grey fish, can you hear me?" Listening this, grey fish came on surface because grey fish love to talk to this very kind-hearted girl, Sujata. Sujata said, "My dear fish, you know what? I can help you. I can paint you beautifully. I got marker pens, colors, sequences, sparkles, glue, everything. Are you ready to cooperate me?" That fish said, "Yes, I will cooperate you. I'm so happy that you're going to change my life." And then Sujata took out some permanent markers and started making some beautiful patterns on body of grey fish. And after that, she took out brushes and fluorescent colors and she started painting body of grey fish. And now this grey fish was looking amazing and outstanding. And doing this, afternoon time it was, and it was lunch time. Mama called out Sujata, "Hey Sujata, come, lunch is ready." And Sujata said, "Tomorrow I'm going to put sparkle and some stones and sequences which will glitter and you will look amazing there." This grey fish was extremely happy getting this new body which is having wonderful patterns and lovely colors. She thanked again and again to Sujata. Sujata was feeling very happy and she returned back next day. Sujata was ready with waterproof glue and stones, sequences, stars, and the grey fish came again. She did pasting of all of this, and this grey fish was looking extremely beautiful. The most beautiful fish now this grey fish was of this river. And when she entered inside, Sujata excitedly wanted to see that now what is the feedback of other fishes. When other fishes looked at this grey fish, they were surprised because all the stars and sequences, they were shining like stars. This fish was looking extremely outstanding with this new makeover. All fishes ran towards this grey fish who was looking extremely beautiful now and said, "Will you be our friend?" But she refused. "I don't want to be your friend. You are very selfish fishes and I will never do friendship with you." Then Sujata called out that grey fish and said, "My dear friend, I know you are very angry with them. What they did, it was absolutely wrong. But if you will also behave in same way, then what will be difference between you and them? God has given you, God has created you so that you can create happiness in others' life. You can spread smile in others' life and you can change others' life. This is time to change lives and hearts of those fishes who were very selfish and who ignored you." And crayfish understood this. She went inside and then she called out all the fishes. And Sujata was also listening to this conversation. This grey fish said that you were so selfish. You never realized that how much you hurt me. I was all alone. Have you ever felt that pain which I was having that time? See, the God made you to spread happiness. If because of you someone is having tears in eyes, because of you someone is sad and unhappy, then God is never going to shower blessings on you. All fishes were feeling very much guilty. They apologized and said that they will never do this again. And now they all were friends, they were happy, they were playing together. Here Sujata add on with one more statement. She said, you see, whatever color you have, whatever beauty you have, this is blessings of God. We all are equal, we all are special. If you are doing discrimination on grounds of beauty, colors, then you are disrespecting God, because we all are creation of God and we should respect each life. All realize this, they realize their mistakes, and finally they all together became friends. They started playing. Sujata was extremely happy to see that she was able to add smile and beauty to someone's life, and she was extremely happy. When you give happiness to someone with true heart, selflessly, you know what, the happiness which you are getting, that is pure, that is long lasting, and that is extremely rich. This is the moral of the story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed this story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. And please do subscribe our channel and hit a bell icon. Tomorrow we will meet with a new story. Till then, good night, take care, bye bye, lots of blessings.